Meghan Markle's lawyer has waived service in her half-sister's libel lawsuit, but unusually did not refer to her as a duchess in the paperwork. Samantha Markle is suing for defamation in part over the Oprah Winfrey interview, but also based on private emails Meghan sent her former Kensington Palace communications secretary. Michael Kump, Meghan's attorney, has submitted a court filing, giving the green light for the case to proceed without formal, in-person service. Interestingly, he refers to the royal as Meghan Markle, as she is publicly known and referred to by many media organizations. However, she has generally referred to herself as Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, since marrying Prince Harry, and her Archul website refers to her that way. Kump has previously referred to her as a duchess when he filed the lawsuit against paparazzi who had been using drones to photograph baby Archie playing in private. The plaintiffs in that case were listed as Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, and Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex. The reason behind the change in style is not clear but may relate to the fact Samantha Markle named her sister as Meghan Markle in her own complaint. Kump's recent court filing read, "I, or the entity I represent, agree to save the expense of serving a summons and complaint in this case. I understand that I, or the entity I represent, will keep all defenses or objections to the lawsuit, the court's jurisdiction, and the venue of the action, but that I waive any objections to the absence of a summons or of service." The form contains a box asking for the printed name of party waiving service of summons, which is filled in as Defendant Meghan Markle. Samantha Markle accused her sister of slut-shaming in the lawsuit after the Duchess told Palace Jason Knauf she had 3 children by 3 different husbands, which she says is false. The complaint form describes Meghan's allegations and lists Samantha's rebuttals. It read, "Samantha had 3 children from 3 different fathers. This is false. Samantha has been married twice and has 3 children. As one reporter noted, this is Meghan's attempt to slut-shame Samantha and further destroy her credibility and reputation." The filing added, Samantha had lost custody of all 3 of her children. This is false. Samantha never lost custody of any of her children. This is Meghan trying to destroy Samantha's credibility and reputation because a mother must be doing something very wrong to lose custody of her children. Meghan and Samantha's father, Thomas Markle, has indicated he is ready to give evidence during any trial that may result from the case. On the other hand, the Queen has been urged to strip Prince Harry and Prince Andrew of the royal role they both still hold despite stepping back from royal life. Former BBC correspondent and presenter Peter Hunt pointed out that currently, as both Charles and William are overseas, if the Queen was unable to complete her duties due to illness or absence, then it would fall to Prince Andrew to fill in on her behalf, a feat he deemed an unthinkable move for many. He also pointed out that Charles could be forced to fly back to fill in, but claimed it appeared the royal family had no foolproof plan if the monarch couldn't carry out her responsibilities. On Twitter, Mr. Hunt wrote, "Both Charles and William are abroad. If the Queen becomes ill, either Charles flies home or Andrew steps in, an unthinkable move for many. This is the reality of having no foolproof plan to cover all scenarios for when a 95-year-old head of state can carry out her duties." The tweet was retweeted by the Daily Mail's diarist and staunch critic of the Sussexes Richard Eden, who claimed such a circumstance should see both Harry and his uncle being stripped from the crucial royal role. In a tweet to his 27.9k followers, he wrote, "This is why #Prince Andrew and #Prince Harry must be stripped of their roles as councillors of state immediately. #Royal. Councillors of state need to meet certain requirements such as being a British citizen and living in the UK. Harry could be removed from the councillors of state in a matter of years due to UK law, as he could lose his domiciled status and be ineligible. The UK law states you lose domiciled status if you leave the UK, and are a non-UK resident for 6 tax years. Harry could be succeeded in his position by his cousins Princess Beatrice or Princess Eugenie, depending on who is the reigning monarch at the time.